My heart doesn't aim to explain, it's an invitation to pause, to feel, to let oneself be crossed through. What I create is born from deep listening. Each bas-relief is a fragment of life that vibrates. Matter becomes breath, telling stories that need no words. Strength and delicacy, boundary and openness, light and shadow, fullness and emptiness. The fullness is presence, what manifests is self. The emptiness is the invisible, what waits to be filled, a space where the soul can enter. Light enters and reveals, shadow guards and invites to search is my map of emotions.